Hey guys, it's Sadie, and I want this is the next kit that I really want to make, and this is from ICSTATION, which I've purchased from before, but it has this electromagnetic thing. Let's get look at this. This is the next. Oh, I have some money on a credit card that I could probably make, and I have the plasma card, and it's only, you know, look at this. It's this is the next thing that I want to make. Okay, what is okay? The video, like, um, so look at that. But you know what I would want to do is like add Sparky to it, add like my high voltage thing to it. Like, I mean, the high voltage thing could destroy these components, but um, I could make it. I wanted to add. I could incorporate the the Sparky to this. Um, Not the explosion Sparky, but um, the high voltage Sparky. The Yeah, I mean, okay. I'm staying up and I'm excited, and so yeah. I'm gonna try to order this, and let's like let's do more. Let's see more stuff with it. ICSTATION is a really cool. I've ordered from them before. Um, 5 volts, and it like does all this stuff. Yeah, this looks really cool. I want to make this kit. Has so much cool stuff. Yeah, I really want to buy this. This looks interesting too, but I want to experiment with this. So, let's see. Yeah. Um, yeah, this is definitely, and it changes colors and stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching this 3 minute video. Yeah, I want to make that one next, and I'll order it. I'll try to order it right now.